Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the fingerprint lock in this device. So before set the fingerprint lock, we need to set the screen lock. So in this device I already set the screen lock, pattern screen lock I set. You can see it is unlocked. So now let me show you how to set the fingerprint unlock. For this again go to settings and privacy, then tap on device unlock, tap on face and fingerprint unlock, tap on fingerprint. So here we need to enter our screen password. Okay, so now you can see this is the fingerprint scanner. So the procedure of the fingerprint scanner is, first we need to touch the fingerprint scanner. When the fingerprint scanner detect your fingerprint, then you will feel one vibration. Then lift the finger again, press it. Okay, then whenever the fingerprint scanner detect your fingerprint, then you will feel one vibration, then lift, then again press, do the procedure. Then you can see it is completed, tap on done. If you want to enable the face unlock, then you can enroll, otherwise cancel it. Now let me show you how it works. Lock the device. Now you can see the fingerprint scanner is enabled. Tap on this one, it is unlocked. You can see it is unlocked. So simply in this way you can set the fingerprint lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.